Number 13 for the end of your assessment. Partition this number line into eighths. Label each fraction. Take a moment and check your work with mine. Again, try to be as accurate as possible with your spacing, but I'm not asking for perfection. So you'll notice 0/8, 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, 4/8, 5/8, 6/8, 7/8, 8/8. Okay. B says compare these fractions, right? Greater than, less than, or equal to make the number sentences true. Use your number line. So for mine, I said 8/8 is equal to 1, and 2/8 is less than 1/2. So we looked up at our number line. Remember, halfway in this number line would be 4/8, and so 4/8 is equivalent to 1, to 1/2. Those are equivalent fractions. Moving to the next problem. Arjun has 12 eggs. He uses 2 eggs for each omelet and makes 3 omelets. How many eggs does he have left? Write one or more number models that match the story. Use a letter for what you're trying to find out. The letter blank represents blank. Number models with letter. Arjun has blank left, and then check whether your answer makes your number models true. Write your number models with your answer. I'm going to pause the video at this time, and then I will show you my completed work. Okay, I'm back with my work completed for this problem. So here you are asked to write one or more number models that match the story. Use a letter for what you're trying to find out. So we're trying to find out how many eggs are left. So I used E to represent eggs, and we call this a variable. Okay, now I have a couple different number models that I could use for this. So in the original problem, he uses 2 eggs for each omelet, and he makes 3 omelets. So looking at those 3 omelets, I want to know how many eggs were being used. And so my first equation can be 2 times 3 equals 6, because I'm saying there are 2 eggs used for the 3 omelets, so a total of 6 eggs are being used. Well, Arjun has 12 eggs total, so then my next equation could be 12 minus those 6 eggs used in the 3 omelets equals E. And again, E is representing the eggs that he has left. Now, as we get more comfortable with order of operations, we could combine the 2 number models or 2 equations. And we could say 12, which is our total, minus, and in parentheses, 2 times 3 equals E. And so if I solve this, I would first do 2 times 3, and that would get me 6, and then 12 minus 6 equals the number of eggs left. So when I solve that, Arjun has 6 eggs left, and again, I use my units. And then here it says check whether your answer makes your number models true. Write your number models with your answer. So again, I did the same equations, but instead of putting E in the equations, I actually gave you the answers. So hopefully that helps you to break down how to solve this problem. If you are confident with order of operations, I recommend you trying to make an equation like the one here where my cursor is. Thank you, boys and girls, for listening today. Hopefully this helps you with your math work.